Wireless technology. It can make so many things possible today, except when it can't. Upgrading to 802.11 AC Wave 1 products might seem like a good idea, but using wider channel sizes in a highly congested spectrum, especially in an unsynchronized network, will result in customer complaints that you and your team have to solve by browsing online forums. Instead, why not use something that fixes the problems of today and tomorrow? Cambium Networks ePMP 3000 offers true multi-user MIMO technology that enhances your wireless network performance with the same channel sizes and modulations. With compatibility mode, different generations of subscribers no longer require a dispatch to upgrade. You can now get that long-awaited boost to your network with GPS sync, downlink beamforming, and uplink beam steering, all the while giving you the option to use your existing Cambium and third-party subscribers. 4x4 multi-user MIMO will result in a 2 to 5 times performance increase and allow you to connect more clients per base station. GPS sync can prevent self-imposed interference and enable channel reuse even with third-party CPEs, while smart beamforming antenna technology will result in better overall interference mitigation. All generations of ePMP are backed by Cambium Networks' 3-year warranty, along with live technical support. Worried about the future beyond 11AC? ePMP 3000 subscriber modules that you install today are designed to work with future 11AX access points, further boosting their performance. You can rest easy knowing your investment is protected today and tomorrow. The time to migrate is now.